If you struggle with winged liner, this video is for you. In today's video, we will be showing you a few simple tricks to get the perfect wing liner every time. Before we get started, to make sure you never miss any of our instructional videos or how-tos, you can subscribe to our channel down below and hit the bell to be notified anytime we post. Let's get into the video. We all know that wing liner can kind of feel a little daunting, but we've got the best tips to help you get it right every time. So first, of course, you're going to want to grab your MoxieLash magnetic liner. We recommend that you always shake your liner before you get started. Grab a mirror. You can use your MoxieLash mirror if you have one, or any other mirror will do. And what you want to do is look down into a mirror so you can really see what you're doing. This kind of closes your eye without closing your eye, so you can still kind of see. A major tip that we have is not to pull your eye. You might want to do this because it feels like you can get a straighter line, but what this is actually going to do is change the shape of your eye, which is going to make it harder to get a straight line and harder to make both eyes even. So what I actually like to do is I look down into the mirror and I kind of tilt my head back and lift my brow up. This kind of pulls my eye taut, and that helps me get that straight line. Next, what you're always going to want to do is stabilize your hand. This is also going to help you get that perfectly straight line. I like to stabilize my hand on my face, but you can also put your elbow on top of a table. You can hold your arm, whatever you got to do to stabilize your hand. That's going to make it come out as even as possible. So you're going to start by creating a straight line across your lid at the base of your lashes. Don't even think about doing the wing yet. Try and focus on making this line straight and even. If you're not quite comfortable yet doing a line all the way across your eye, you can always use a stamping motion, and this will get that line perfectly straight as well, just kind of stamping along instead of pulling along the eye. Another tip is, instead of going at your eye at an angle with the liner brush, you want to lay it flat across your eye. So that's going to help you have more control instead of kind of trying to come at an angle and make the line straight. So once you have a straight and even line, you can start to thicken up the outer corner a bit. And it's all up to preference for you. I do not like too thick of a liner, so I'm just going to thicken up the outside corner just a tad and leave the rest as is. But of course, feel free to go as thick and bold as you like. So this is what it should look like at this point. You can see that I have an even line across my eye with a little bit of thickness towards the outer corner. Before we get to the wing, I like to fill in any gaps in my actual lashes with the liner, just so that everything looks super cohesive and smooth. Before we get to the most fun part of this entire tutorial, comment down below if you've ever tried a winged liner that got a little out of hand, because I know I have, and I ended up with wings like out to my temples, and I think I was gonna fly away if I didn't take it off. You know what I'm saying? So if that's ever happened to you, comment down below, because I think it happens to anyone trying to do wing liner at least one time. So finally, what we've all been waiting for, the wing. So what you're going to want to do is imagine the continuation of your lower lash line going out toward your brow. I like to use our applicator to kind of mimic this line so I can see exactly where I want to put it. This is going to keep the liner looking symmetrical. And I like to go in super lightly with the liner at first and then add more product as soon as I feel confident about the line. So once you've got your line angled upwards, we're going to be drawing sort of like a mini triangle or straight line to connect the wing to the straight line that you created at the base of your lashes. I do the same thing here, building product as I go, and then once I feel comfortable, I start to even out that line, make it straight and super sharp. Now, of course, you're going to want to let the liner dry, and I always like to apply a little bit of mascara while I wait. And now you can snap on your MoxieLash magnetic lashes. Today I am wearing the Sassy Lash. I love this lash. So sassy, so perfect for a cat eye. So now you've seen how to get the perfect winged liner, but maybe you want to see which lashes that we offer will go perfectly with this liner. You can check out this video to see all of the different cat eye lashes that we offer. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.